you how to pack your hockey bag the right way. And the main rule to keep in mind is reverse the order of how you put stuff on. So obviously if you pull your breezers on first, those go in the bag last. So first thing I do is make sure that I have the jerseys that I want. So right now I'm playing on 2 teams, so you gotta make sure you got your home and away for both teams. I have a million jerseys in here, but I see all the colors that I need. You might want to pull your socks out because you're gonna need to put those on earlier. So I got my socks for my green team. And then the very last thing you put on before you go on the ice is your helmet. So that goes in the bag first. I usually like to throw that in a corner because it fits nicely like underneath the zipper over there. And then I usually put one glove in the helmet and then the other glove next to it. Easy enough. After gloves comes elbow pads. So again, reverse order the way you put stuff on. Elbow, elbow, shoulders. Make sure all your Velcro is sticking so that it doesn't get sticking to itself, so that it doesn't get stuck to the jerseys or anything else. All right, so I've got helmet, gloves, elbow pads, shoulder pads. So that's the top half. And then I think about my bottom and what goes where there. So last thing I put on is my shin guards. So those go in next, 2 shins. And then skates, and they get their guards put back on so they don't get beat up or rip anything else up. And then socks. It doesn't really matter if they're like in a perfect layers because obviously they're not going to stay that way when they get mixed up in your bag. So you're just kind of making sure that the general order is there. And then puck. Always good to have an extra puck. And then the breezers go on top. So then once those are in there, and then you shove them in there and zip it up. And then I always put my underclothes out in the front pocket so that they're really easy to find instead of digging through that mess to get to them. So there we go. Now I'm all ready to go. All I need is my stick. I'm ready for my next game.